the integer number lies between 17 over 5 and 22 over 5. You can convert from improper to mixed number. 3 times 5 equal 15 and the remainder 2. 4 times 5 equal 20 and the remainder 2. We have 3 and 4. It will be 3.4 and here 4.4. He won't find what the integer number lies between them. It will be 4. We have in the number line 3.4 and 4 gets greater than this number, and then 4.4. Then the number will be 4. Choose letter C. Question number 2. The integer numbers which represent a loss of 150, it will be negative 150 Egyptian lira. But profit, it will be 150. Question number 3. The quotient of 39,500 divided by 125 equal space. We use long division. 39,500 divided by 125. 3 divided 125, we can do it. 39, we can do it. This number greater than this number. 2 times this number, it will be 250. And we can disappear digit to digit by 2 digits. 3 divided by 1, it will be 3. 3 times 125, 3 times 5 equal 15. 5 and times 1, can have 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1, 7. 1 times 3 equals 3. Write 3 here and 375. Find the difference. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 9 minus 7 equal be 2. And then drop 0. 200 divided by 125, it will be 1. Right, 125. And then the difference between them will be what? 0 minus 5, we can't do it. It will be 10. And here 1. 10 minus 5, it will be 5. Borrow 1 from 2, 1. And here 11 minus 2 equal 9. And then drop 0. 950 divided by 125. Okay. We can write 125 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. 0 and the cap of 3. 2 times 6, 12 plus 3 equals 15. 5 and the cap of 1. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. Sorry. It was 9. Because 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 2, 7. It will be exactly here 6. The result will be 750. Then the result will be 360. Okay. Understood? Choose letter number 3. Choose letter B. Question number 4. In the equation A equal 7B, the variable express what? The variable express here, we call that equation. In the equation, the variable express the variable A. The variable A. A here we called it what? A here A equals 7B. Here A we called it dependent. We called it what? Dependent. A here is dependent. Question number 4. Okay, number 4 dependent. Choose letter B. Question number 5. Type of data of the horizontal axis for line plot is space. We called it what? We can using numerical. Okay, choose letter B. About graphical here. In the we called it horizontal axis line plot. It's line plot here. Okay, it's line plot such as that. This we called it line plot such as that. This we have in the horizontal axis. We called it numerical. We called it what? Numerical. So in the line plot we called it numerical. But the graph, in bar graph, the horizontal axis, we have here quantities here, numerator. We want to see in the horizontal. So the result will be numerical. Choose letter B. About question 5, choose letter B, numerical. Question number 6. In the inequality x greater than 130, the value of x may be equal what? Which number greater than 130? It will be 140. Question 7. When add the value 27 to the data here, then the mean equal. We can find the mean By 8, all the values divided the number of the values. We can add the values here, 27 plus 22 plus 23 plus 21 plus 24 plus 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can write 6 here. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Plus 2 plus 3, 15. Plus 2, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Write 4 and carry up 2. 2 times plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 144 divided by 6. 14 divided by 6 equal 2 and remainder 2. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then the result will be 24. Choose letter B. Okay. The mean here will be 24. We know the mean equal the sum of all the values divided the number of the values. Question number 2. Complete the following data here. Number 1. List common multiplication for two numbers 3 and 7. It will be 0 product. 3 times 7 it will be 21. Question number 2. The coefficient of the algebraic term third y power 2, it will be third. Question number 3, the inequality which express y is less than or equal 5. Y is less than or equal 5. Right, is the inequality which express y is less than or equal to 5. You must change this word again. Y is less than or equal to 5. Less than of equal 5. Okay, y is less than or equal to 5. Change this word here. Okay, the equality which express y is less than or equal to 5. Y is less than or equal to 5 here. Or if he asked you y is less than 5, y less than 5 here. But here y is less than or equal to 5. Okay, this word we have a wrong in the spelling here. Y is less than or equal to 5 here. Okay, but if we write y is less than 5, we can write here. Question number 4. The variable which is the value doesn't depend on any other variable. We call it dependent. Question number 4. Dependent. The variable which its value doesn't depend on any other variable called dependent. Letter A, independent. Question number 4, the variable which its value doesn't depend on any other variable, we call that independent. Question number 5. The opposite box plot median will be here 4. The median here 4. Question 6. The range of the values. Find the difference between greatest number and smallest number. 71. Subtract by 8. 11 minus 8 equal 3. 6. The result will be 63. Question 7. The street name is categorical data. We have numerical data and the categorical data. Categorical data contains of letters or letters of description. Okay, question number 8. The number whose prime factor 2, 3, 5, 2 by 3 by 5. 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 5, it will be 30. Next, question number 3. Choose the correct answer. The number 5 is a prime factor of the number what? Of 25, because 25 can divide by 5. Direction of arrow on the number line for inequality x less than 2. X less than 2, it will be left. Move to left. We have less than 2, it will be 1, 0, negative 1 here, going to left hand side. Question number 3. The simplest form of the number 16 over 24 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8, it will be 2, and 24 divided by 8, it will be 3. The result will be 2 over 3. Simplest form. Question number 4 is the equation x equals z plus 5. The variable y is what? We put here the variable z. Okay, change this letter y and write z. Z here reverse to independent, and x reverse to dependent. We have independent here and dependent. Question number 5, multiple. Question number 5, okay. Multiply 4 by the result of adding y and 7. Y and 7 project by 4. Multiply 4 by the result of adding y and 7. Question number 6. All the following are descriptive data except what? Except number of students. Choose letter C. Because number of students, we call it numerical data. But school name, favorite food, company address, we called it descriptive data or categorical data. Question 7. Simple y algebraic term 3 over z over 7 y power 3 is what? Symbol y is algebraic term. This question was false, okay? Y here, if you put here y or y power 2, okay, the symbol here we called it what? Verbal. The symbol y we called it the verbal. Symbol y here we called it the verbal, okay? Any letter we called it verbal, or we can call it algebraic factor. Then you must choose letter C. We called it verbal. If we put 3 over 7y, y here would be verbal. Okay, we called it verbal. Verbal. If we put y power 3, then y we called it the verbal. If he put here this z, or he cancels this question and write, if he cancels this question and write another question contains of z, 3 over 7, z power 3, z here we called it verbal. Okay, z we called it what? The verbal. Okay, we called it the verbal, or we called it factor, algebraic factor. But 3 over 7 we called it numerical factor or coefficient. Question number 4, answer the following. Question number 4, letter E. Amira bought 56 meters of clothes with 6,944 gypsy lira. Find the price of each meter. Use a long division between two numbers. 6,944 divided by 56. 6 divided by this number, we can do that. 69 divided by 56, it will be 1. 1 times 56, it will be 56. The difference between them, 9 minus 6, it will be 3. 5 minus 6, 1, and then root 4. 134 divided by 56, we can write what? 2, it's in raised 2, because 2 times 5, 10, raised to 13. 2 times 6, 12, 2 and carry up 1. 2 times 5, 10 plus 1 equal 11. 4 minus 2 equal 2, 3 minus 1 equal 2, and then the 4 here, 224 divided by 56. Write 4. 4 times 6 equal 24. Write 4 and carry up 2. 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 2 equal 22. Then the result here will be 124. Question 8. If the two expressions are equivalent or not. The first here, 2, product by 3y plus 5, and second, 6y plus 10. We used here distributive properties. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 3y 6y, 2 times 5 10, then it will be equivalent. Or by using satisfies, put x equal 1 and x equal 2 into expression. Okay, it's another solution. Put x equal 1 here. 3 times 1 equal 3 plus 5 equal 8. 8 times 2 it will be 16. Put x equal 1. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 plus 10 equals 16. Yes, it will be equivalent. X equal 2. 2 times 3 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 times 2 22. Put x equal 2. 2 times 6 12. 12 plus 10 it will be 22. Yes, it will be equivalent. Okay. Question letter C. Represent the following number on the number line and arrange it ascending. Okay, we have 2 and negative 3 over 2 and 3 and 5 over 2 and negative 3. We can arrange these numbers, negative 3 and 1 over negative 3 over 2, negative 1.5. And we have negative 3 and negative 3 over 2, and then write 2 and 5 over 2, because 5 over 2 it will be 2.5, and then 3, and then there is a number line. We have here negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 3, and negative 3 and 2, it will be negative 1.5 here, and the 2, and 5 over 2, 2.5 here, and 3 here. The range ascending from least to greatest. Represent the following data by histogram. We have intervals. This question was clear with you, okay? First interval from 40 to 50, from 50 to 60, and 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. It's the last one interval. And here the its number was 25, but 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. The first interval 40 to 10 here. Second interval to 15. Third 25. And 70 to 20. And from 80 to 10. Okay. The histogram. And the horizontal here reverse to width. And the vertical here reverse to a number of students. That's it. It's the end of questions. Goodbye.